So I'm in the studio today and I'm recording a bunch of videos just to batch and get caught up and to produce the best quality content I can when this tweet came across my Twitter notifications from Cannell. If you don't know Sean, he's from Think Media, and I love all of his stuff. And today, I specifically loved this tweet that he shared about 3 things he's learning from top creators right now. And I want to share with you my thoughts on his tweets. Tweet number 1, Sean said, start before you're ready. If you wait until you're ready, you'll never actually start. There is never a perfect time to start your YouTube journey. There's no such thing as a perfect calendar. And I can't think about how true that really is for me in my life right now. You see, I'm getting ready to enter into the busiest time of my work life right now. My 9-to-5 job picks up insane in the summertime. While a ton of people are going on summer vacations, I'm going on a ton of work trips. That's completely okay, right? But it's also not an excuse for me not to chase after my goals and not to work on this channel, right? There's never going to be a perfect time to find a calendar, right, moment to launch a channel. So you have to launch when you're ready, and you have to take care of moments or find moments where you can really like hunker down and get stuff done. That's why I have days like today set aside on my calendar where I can batch record content, and as soon as I'm done here, go and edit that content, because I have a process and a way that allows it all to be done seamlessly and quick, so that I can have as many videos ready as possible. Tweet number 2 from Sean is commit to the process. If you do the right things in the right order, the process works. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes commitment. Commit to the process and stick with it. This is so true about tons of things in life, right? I think about working out. I think about eating healthy. I think about taking care of yourself mentally and physically, right? All of those things require working a process, right? It doesn't happen overnight, right? Losing weight doesn't happen overnight. Growing a YouTube channel to thousands of subscribers or millions of subscribers doesn't happen overnight. It's a process. You have to work over and over and over again. Work that process consistently, and of course, you'll see results. And then last but not least, Sean said, stay consistent through the process. Consistency is key. That may look different for you than it does for the next person, but without consistency, you lose attention. If you post 10 days straight and disappear for the next 3 weeks, you're not consistent. Wow, that's so true. So many of us live our life with burst of energies instead of consistency, right? We go intense in a short period of time rather than living life at a consistent pace. If we go short and intense though, in these intense bursts, well, it's great for getting some projects done, but oftentimes it leaves us burnt out and more frustrated as a result. We don't get the things done we actually want to get done. We don't accomplish the things we actually want to accomplish. Instead, we should stay consistent, showing up at the same time, at the same place, and being regular and routine in our rhythm. It'll help us succeed in the long run. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and click right here to continue growing and learning with me.